For the last year, you've been building amazing things with AI. You've built custom GPTs, you've created prompts, you've become an expert AI user. But you and I have the same problem. Your best ideas are trapped. They're trapped inside platforms that you don't control. You can't put a lead capture form on a custom GPT. You can't build your email list. You can't customize the user experience. You're renting access and you're subject to someone else's rules. You don't have a real, tangible asset as a result. What if you could take that exact same idea, that same logic, and turn it into a lead-generating, profitable micro app that you own? An app on your own domain, an app that builds your email list, an app that you can offer as a powerful bonus, a paid product, or a high-value tool for you and your clients. That's the after. Going from an AI user to an AI asset builder. And for the past few months, you've been asking me how to cross that bridge. Most people think that bridge is learning how to code. But I've got to be honest with you, I'm a sales and marketing guy. I run a community of almost 500,000 entrepreneurs, and I'm not a programmer. And yet, guess what? I've deployed my first fully functional AI app in under an hour. Since then, I've built numerous other web apps, from simple tools to complex, multi-step systems, and I've refined the process into a repeatable framework that I want to teach you. You don't need to code, you just need to vibe code. The bridge is a new way of building, a new set of tools that allows for it. Now, I'm going to be showing you several tools in the training, like Base 44 and Lovable, to prove that this is a system and not a trick. But the tool that makes this the easiest, the one that we'll focus on, it's called Manus. Why? Because it's a simple, prompt-based web app builder. But more importantly, because of this. Manus has made a 1 trillion, yeah, with a T, 1 trillion token package available to web app developers. This means for a limited time, we can build AI features into your web apps using powerful models at no additional cost until that token package runs out. This is the no API method. This is how you can learn, build, and test your app ideas right now while saving an absolute fortune on API costs. Now, to be clear, once the tokens are gone, there will be a cost. But this window of opportunity, it's exactly why you need to learn this skill right now. That's why I've cleared my schedule and I'm hosting a 3-day live step-by-step vibe coding training next week. It's all happening next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for 2 hours each day. Here's the plan. On day 1, we're going to build our first micro app. I'll deconstruct a custom GPT and then we're going to rebuild it live as a fully functional micro app. Day 2, we're going to go from tool to asset. We're going to build a second app, and this time we're going to add in additional features like user history to make it more valuable. And then I'll give you the 4 monetization models for it so that you can consider making money with it. Then on day 3, we're going to talk about the app factory system. We'll build a third app, but this time the focus is on documenting the process, and you'll get my GPT to micro app SOP, standard operating procedure, a checklist to make building your future apps almost foolproof. And yes, you'll get free access to all 3 of the web apps that we build during this live training. You also get the complete standard operating process, the complete checklist, and all the video replays and all the resources for all 3 days. I'm giving you the entire framework, the live training, the SOP, the 3 new apps, all for a special launch price of just $97 until after we go live. Why? Because I want to prove to you, my community, that this is the single biggest opportunity to turn AI ideas into real, tangible assets. If you're a coach, a course creator that wants to build powerful, gated bonuses, this is for you. Maybe you're a marketer or agency owner who needs to generate higher quality leads. This is for you too. Maybe you're an entrepreneur who wants to test new product ideas without having to hire a whole dev team. This is for you. And what about those AI builders ready to turn a hobby into an asset? Well, this is for you too. It's time to stop renting and start building. The choice is simple. Keep your best ideas locked inside someone else's platform, or join me next week and learn how to build and own and deploy your own AI assets. The $97 price is a limited time only until we begin the training. So sign up now and lock your seat in to get the training and the replay and the resources. Click the link below. Reserve your seat for the Micro App Factory Challenge. I'll see you Monday. Let's build.